Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our Earth Unit 1. Last class we revised the universe, the galaxy and solar family. Today we are going to revise continent and ocean. Children, did you all bring your social reader and classwork? Go children, go bring your social reader and classwork. Take page number 145. We are going to revise the continents and the oceans. Before that, do you like to help others, children? Helping others, it's a good habit. As you are at home, you can help your parents. If you have grandparents, you can help them. Help them whenever they need. Helping others is a good habit. If you're helping, I like to appreciate you. If you're not yet done, keep helping your parents. Okay children, without any delay, let's get into the class. We have already discussed about the oceans and the continents. So, we are going to revise and recall what all we have discussed. Oceans. Oceans is a large body of water that is saline. Saline means? Yes, you're right. Saline means salt water. Can you tell me how many percent of Earth's surface is covered by ocean? Good. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. The Earth is divided into 5 different oceans. I taught you a short form to remember the 5 oceans.
The word paisa help you to remember the names of the ocean. P-A-I-S-A. P. Pacific Ocean. A. Atlantic Ocean. I. Indian Ocean. S. Southern Ocean. A. Arctic Ocean. Now, is it easy for you to remember the names of the oceans, children? That's good.
The ocean water are very salty. So it is called as saline. Saline means salt water, isn't it? It is not fresh water. You cannot drink ocean water, but we can swim in the ocean water. Even we can open our eyes and swim in the ocean water, isn't it? Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. So we live in India, isn't it? So Indian Ocean is third largest ocean. Southern Ocean is fourth largest ocean. Southern Ocean is fourth largest ocean. Arctic Ocean is smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is smallest ocean. So let's go in order. Pacific is the largest ocean. Atlantic is the second largest ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. So we have discussed about ocean and 5 different oceans. Now let's discuss about continents. As I told you before, the earth has 5 different oceans and 7 different continents. Yes or no? So we have discussed about ocean. Now we are going to discuss about continents. We live on the planet Earth. Earth is the third largest planet. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is made up of land and water. When we look at the map, the bluish color here represent the water bodies and the green area represent the land. The earth land makes up around 30% of its surface and it is divided into large land masses called continent. Now did you understand? It is divided into large land masses called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica and Europe. So do you find it difficult? Even I taught you how to remember these names. Do you remember it? Can you tell me? We have a friend to help you to remember the continent's name. Are you ready to listen to the friend?
Hello friends, I'm here to help you to remember the names of the continents. Are you ready to listen to it? That's great. The 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. Now I'm going to tell you a sentence. You will pick out the first letter from each word and we are going to remember the continent's name. Angry Auntie Anju eats 9 sweet apples. Angry Auntie Anju eats 9 sweet apples. Angry. A. Auntie. A. Anju. A. Let's quickly pick out the first letter. Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe, North America, South America and Antarctica. Now when we pick out the beginning letter from the sentence, Angry Auntie Anju eats 9 sweet apples, we can easily remember the 7 continents name. I think it would be helpful, children. We will meet in the next class. Bye.
Now let's discuss about the continent in detail. Asia is the largest and the longest populated continent in the world. It has 48 countries. Africa is the second largest continent. It has 54 countries. North America is the third largest continent. It has 23 countries. South America is the fourth largest continent and it has 12 countries. Europe is the second smallest continent and the third most populated continent. Europe is the home to nearly 50 countries. Australia is the smallest continent and is also known as country continent. Now did you understand about the continents, children? Are you ready to answer the questions, children? Are you ready to answer? That's good. We live on the surface of the earth, isn't it? It is made up of Good. 7 continents and 5 oceans. Can you quickly tell me all the 7 continents name? Good. Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica and Europe. Children, one more time shall we repeat it? Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica and Europe. There are how many oceans, children? Good. There are 5 oceans. Can you quickly tell me all the 5 oceans? Super. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Good, children. Our earth is covered with water. Yes or no? Can you tell me how much percentage it would be? Good, 71%. Can you tell me the meaning of saline? Good, salt water. The bluish area on the map represents? Good, water. The greenish area represent? Super, land. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson, children. Take out your social classwork and write few lines about the continents and the oceans. Write few lines about the continents and the oceans. Complete your worksheet and submit it in the Google Classroom, children. Don't forget to submit your worksheet in the Google Classroom, children. Don't forget to worksheet in the Google Classroom. We will meet in the next class.